Herbert Spencer's organic analogy. Herbert Spencer's organic analogy is based on the theory of evolution, which has been discussed in the previous videos. So, moving further to organic analogy, analogy means parallelism, it means similarity. So, Herbert Spencer, he has tried to compare the human society with an organism, a social organism and biological organism में उसने parallelism establish करने की कोशिश की है. That is, he has tried to trace out the similarities as well as the differences between a biological organism and the society. So, moving further to the similarities किसमें? एक biological organism में और social organism में, that is society. So how the similarities they have been visualized by Herbert Spencer. Firstly, he says that there is similarity in the visible growth. There is similarity in the visible growth of both a biological organism as well as social organism or society. For example, both they are subject to growth which is visible. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिज्म में अगर हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं एक ह्यूमन बीइंग का, द चेंज, द एवोल्यूशन और द ग्रोथ फ्रॉम चाइल्ड टू अडल्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग इज विजिबल. So there is a visible growth in a child or in a human being. Similarly, societies, they grow from tiny community to a metropolitan city, from a small state to an empire. So this change is also visible. So similarity in the visible growth in both biological organism or एक society में. Secondly, an increase in the complexity of structure. So in the process of evolution, whether we take a biological organism or society, both grow in size and there is complexity of structure as they evolve. For example, a unicellular organism change होता है multicellular organism में, means complexity in the structure. सिमिलरली एक प्रिमिटिव सोसाइटी जो है वो चेंज होती है, कन्वर्ट होती है और इवॉल्व होती है इनटू मॉडर्न इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी दैट इज अगेन कॉम्प्लेक्स इन स्ट्रक्चर. So there is increase in the complexity of structure both in an organism as well as in the society. Thirdly, differentiation of structure leading to differentiation of functions. अब सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर ही चेंज नहीं होता टुवर्ड्स कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, इवन द फंक्शंस एसोसिएटेड विद इट दे ऑल्सो चेंज. देयर इज चेंज इन द फंक्शन, मीन्स यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उसमें ऑल फंक्शंस दे आर परफॉर्म्ड बाय अ सिंगल सेल. In multicellular organism, there are different organs for different functions. Similarly, एक simple society, एक traditional primitive society में जो लोग हैं वो homogeneous हैं और सब functions को perform करते हैं. But as the society grows, there is specialization, there is differentiation of functions performed by different parts of the society. Next is change in the structure leads to change in function. So as the structure changes, both in case of society as well as in the case of an organism, as the structure changes, it leads to change in the function. The functions, they also become more specialized. Next is differentiation as well as harmony of organs. So each organ of the society, each part of the society, when it evolves, it works in harmony